using the Autochartist Expert Advisor. Once your advisor has been installed, you can restart your MetaTrader terminal and it should be listed in the navigation window under the Expert Advisor tree node. Drag the Expert Advisor onto any chart window. Once dragged onto a chart, the advisor will try to connect to the Autochartist services to retrieve data. When successful, your chart should display like this. The main window of the advisor is the one at the bottom left. This window has several features. The first feature is a drop-down list where you can select the minimum probability value. This will filter the Autochartist patterns to only display those patterns that has a total probability of the value you select. Example, if 65% is select, it will only retrieve patterns that have a total probability of 65% or greater. The second feature is a settings button. Once clicked, a new window will appear where you can modify the following settings. 1. Quantity of historical patterns. Historical patterns will be displayed on the chart as grey lines. This gives a very basic overview of the direction that the instrument has taken according to the patterns Autochartist has identified in the recent past. 2. Report subscriptions. Here you can enter an email address, then select the report, the session for which you wish to receive it, and the language you wish to receive it in. After subscribing, you will receive an email report once a day for the specific reports, sessions, and languages you have selected about relevant patterns that can be used to enhance your trading strategy. You can subscribe to multiple reports for multiple sessions in multiple languages. The third feature on the advisor window is a filter and information button. Once clicked, a new window will open. In this window, you can select the types of patterns you wish to view. You can also click on the Performance Statistics button to display a pop-up window containing a URL that, when copied into a browser, will show you all the performance statistics reports for your broker or MetaTrader. When clicking a View button, the chart will change the instrument and the period as per the pattern, then display the pattern on the chart along with any historical patterns. The tick box labeled Display All Symbols will display all relevant symbols or instruments that Autochartist has identified for your broker based upon the market watch in your terminal. If this box is unticked, then the Expert Advisor will try to retrieve all patterns for only the symbol of the chart for all periods. Also displayed on any chart is the Autochartist Volatility Indicator. This indicator displays statistical analysis of volatility over a period of 6 months for this specific instrument at this specific time. The last window of the Expert Advisor is the Details window. In this window, details about the pattern is displayed, breakout strengths, quality, etc. If the pattern has a minimum probability of 60% or higher, the specific details of the probabilities will also be displayed here. All of the windows of the Autochartist Expert Advisor can be dragged into a different location or minimized. All except the Pattern Details window can be closed. Once the Close button of the main window is clicked, the Expert Advisor will remove itself from the chart window.